Hi, I'm astronaut Mike Massimino. Earlier this year, I flew aboard Space Shuttle Atlantis to the Hubble Space Telescope. My crewmates and I spent more than 2 years training for that mission, and now another crew is getting ready to fly on Atlantis, and they're going to the International Space Station. They've been working hard to get ready for their flight, and they've let us follow them around for the past few weeks with a camera. We're about to show you some of that footage, and you're going to get an up-close view of the crew, go inside their training, and hear some of the stories from the astronauts and their team. This is STS-129 behind the scenes, and we hope you enjoy it. Here we are with the STS-129 crew. It's like minus 5 weeks here. Okay, 5 weeks till they left. And they're at something called bench review, which means, well, and this is Dale. Dale Gentry is with me here. Dale's in charge today, right, Dale?
No, not
Okay,
really.
well, Dale's in charge today, like I said. And what are they going to be doing today?
Today the crew looks at the remainder of their hardware. They started yesterday.
Right.
They look at all their hardware as it's packed, as it's stowed, that they're going to see in flight. And that's the purpose of the review. It's the last time they see it before they see it in space.
This is like you're going on a big trip,
Exactly.
right? And someone's packed for you. So one of the cool things about being an astronaut is you get to pick out the stuff you need, and then someone else packs it for you, because packing stinks. No one likes to pack, right? What's going on?
I'm
What are you
a little
looking at?
rejected that I didn't get as nice a looking cap as
So you
Scorch
got-
did.
what did he get?
Scorch's cap. See him
No.
right down there? He got a
Where
real
is it?
nice cap. See him right down there?
He's got the blue one?
Yeah, a real nice blue
Well,
one.
maybe he just did his hair blue.
Maybe he
Is that what happened? Did he just do his hair?
I'm just sad that I didn't get a
Okay,
nice one like that.
But yours looks pretty good, though.
Well,
You look like a baker.
That's good on me, right?
You look like a baker. What is it that you're checking out?
I have no idea. What is it? It's called a bogan arm.
Uh-huh.
You attach this somewhere on the shuttle,
Yeah.
and then you put like a camera or a platform or something else, and you can
Right.
maneuver it around and stick it kind of where you want. In zero
Right.
G, it kind of just hangs there.
Right.
So,
Mike, so what are you going to do now?
Try on my comm cap.
And that's the cap that you use to communicate with. All right, where is it?
Pick up my watch.
How's he going to know what time it is? Hello, pardon me. Hello. Pardon me. Hello, Mary Jane. What are you doing?
Hello.
You all right?
Hello.
What do you think, Mike?
Ah, you look great, man. How's it feel? Main thing is, how does it feel?
Feels good.
Right.
Does it look big enough?
What's true with Scorch's hat?
I don't know. I guess he got the short straw. Had to wear the balloon hat.
Did he? I thought it might have been he just washed his hair. I don't think that's the point.
No.
What are you guys doing? What are you checking out?
Just checking out our hardware. We're actually trying to minimize the number of plastic bags that we have, so that that's one less thing you have to do on orbit.
Is what? Take stuff out of the baggie?
Yeah, you know, and if it will fit in here without having to use a bag, then why have a bag?
Make sure.
Look a little Fabio.
You think Scorch looks like Fabio?
With that hat on.
With that hat on.
Male model hair.
Yeah.
Rugged yet sensitive look.
I mean, you just put on the long hair.
And we have Ina, Laura, and Brenda. Brenda.
Yes.
With an R. Okay. And you ladies pack the crew clothing lockers. This is impossible to fit all this stuff in a drawer, but you do it.
Yeah, but try to do a little magic for you.
It's magic.
I just say this is too overfull.
Too overfull, so you got to do
Overfull,
something.
yes.
Leave some clothes at home? Is that what you're saying? No.
No.
All right.
This is your removable pocket.
All right.
Inside you have pens, pencils, flashlight, anything you might need.
Okay.
We call these your crew preference shirts, the ones you order that are customized.
Okay.
These are running shorts.
Running shorts,
You
yeah.
have undershirts.
Right.
The ecstatic t-shirt for exercise, and there's
Okay.
ecstatic socks as well
All
with
right.
the silver in it to
The si-
absorb odor.
Yeah, supposedly they don't stink as bad.
Supposedly.
That's the idea.
You have to tell us. Most crew members also choose deerskin gloves.
I had them with me when I launched. I liked them so much.
Wow.
Yeah, I wanted them right away. So as soon as I got to orbit, I put those things on. They're good because they protect your hands. Go ahead. What else you got? And those are special sunglasses that we have to use because the sun gets so bright. And if you're looking outside trying to Fly. Yeah, they're really, really good. They're dark. All right. Hello, what do you got here? And your name is?
Sheila Washington.
Hey,
I'm
Sheila.
the equipment engineer.
All right.
What we do is have the crew members over for a fit check.
Yeah.
And we get all their selections down.
Right.
And once they do that, we put together in the drawing, and they have the review here. So that's what they're going to do today.
So, Scorch, I got to ask you.
5096 says 50.
I got to ask you. What's with the hat?
Don't like the hat?
It's all right. It's just a little surprising. So we have Mike Foreman, astronaut on STS-129, and Mary Jane Anderson, who is famous in the astronaut office as being a clothing consultant. Mike, did he have any? Was he a hard guy to deal with?
No, he was very low maintenance.
Very low maintenance. Very low.
We don't want to ask for the high maintenance people.
Right,
Well,
I
I don't
understand.
tell.
I understand. All right. Thanks very much.
They're walking by now.
Packing that locker?
I'm unpacking.
You know how long it took him to pack that thing?
I love to unpack. See what the goodies are.
He did explain that before he did that.
Yeah, they spent hours putting this stuff in there.
I don't wear glasses, but just in case. Just in case.
How's it looking over here, Randy?
It's looking all right.
Veritable
cornucopia of shirts.
Yeah. Taking a Marine Corps shirt as well.
Marine Corps shirt.
That's nice.
Wouldn't you?
And the Citadel. If I was a Marine, I would, but I took one for my college and flew something for the fire department in New York City too. So that kind of thing.
First from my university to have the opportunity to go to space.
Is that right? From the Citadel, right? That's what that shows. You're the first guy from the Citadel to go to space? Wow. You were in a band?
Get out there.
What did you play?
Percussion.
You were a percussionist. Very cool. So he's coming. So your band leader is coming. That's pretty cool.
Bunch of classmates.
And they're coming too. That's great. Probably spending too much time in the gym. This stuff ain't gonna fit. That's the problem. You need to-
It's all in the sleeve length. They are a little short.
It's a problem. Don't you think, Christy, he'd be great on Dances with the Stars?
He'd be great on Dancing with the Stars.
I don't know about that.
As one of the stars.
With like a black sparkly vest.
What if I can't dance though? I don't know how to dance.
They'll teach you.
Oh, bull. That's the whole
And you
idea. You
learn.
learn how to dance. They give you lessons.